Jack, and welcome to PEXUniverse.com. Today we'll talk about the Little Giant 5 ASP automatic submersible utility or sump pump. This 115 volt sump pump comes with a Piggyback Diaphragm Switch and a 10-foot cord. It is a 1.6 horsepower automatic dual-purpose submersible utility pump or sump pump with an oil-filled motor lubricated for its lifespan. This model is capable of pumping water down to 1/8 inches in manual operating mode. This model is capable of handling up to 1,200 gallons per hour. It has a screened inlet for easy cleaning and maintenance. This pump can be used for a wide variety of applications, including residential, commercial, industrial, and other dewatering and fluid transfer applications. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. You can find this product and more at PEXUniverse.com. Check us out on the web or visit us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Thanks for watching. See you later.